Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nazir Masaleh. My number metric is 71382. I want to do demonstrating Acl Exercise 1.0. For first question, open the comparable API mouse. First, filter only legs and 31 December 2011. And the second one is find quarter 1 2011 and grab and call. At the back of the knee, click and on legs. Quick filter equal. And at APS invoice date, choose one date. Right click quick filter and on. And change the date to the 31 December 2011. And the final answer we got is 107. For the second one, click at APS invoice date, choose to date and right click. Click at the quick filter, choose between and change the date to for the quarter 1 2011, which is 1 January 2011 and 31 March 2011. Next, for rect anchor, we right click at the API code rect anchor, quick filter, we choose N and equal. And the final answer we got is 2369 record. For the second mission, open the table account receivable audit. Choose AR. For the first, filter CN and quarter 3 2014. Second, filter IN and quarter 4 2014. 3, filter IN and quarter 4 2014 and filter CN and Q4 2014. 4, filter IN and Q4 2014 or filter CN and Q and quarter 3 2014. For the first, at the transfer type, click on CN, right click on filter equal. Then we click on invoice date, choose to date and right click on filter and between and just the date to the quarter 3 2014. And the final answer we got is 20 record. Next, for second one, at the transfer type, click IN, right click quick filter, we choose equal, and at the invoice date, we choose to date, right click quick filter and click between, change the date to the quarter 4. The final answer we got is 474 records. Next, for the number 3, at the transfer step, we click at CNI and quick filter equal. Next, we go for invoice date, choose to date and right click quick filter, we choose or between and put the date at the quarter 4 2014. So for the answer we got is 560 records. Next, for number 4, we at the transfer type, we click on IN quick filter equal, and invoice date we choose to date, right click quick filter, we click N between, change the date to the quarter 4 2014. Next, we tap all and we copy the expression that we create before and paste after the or that we tap already. And behind we just do CN, and for the date we change for the quarter 3 2014. The final answer we got is 494 records. For the project 3, still at the table account receivable audit at AR. For the first question is checking invoice date which date after due date. Second, check how many days between due date and invoice date. Third question, how much transfer amount is impacted. Move 4, extract to a new table to invoice date more than due date. Move 5, export to Excel. For the first question, click at the FX and click on the date more than due date, and we got the answer is 312 records. For the number 3, we need to add a column for find the different in this. Right click at column, click on the expression invoice date minus with due date, and save as different days, and click verify the expression, then click OK, and that is the new column that we added. For the question number 2, we click at the new column, analyze total, and we got the answer is 75,785. Next, for the number 3, at the transfer amount, we click analyze total, and we got the answer 177,034.40. Next, we need to extract. Click the data, extract, view to are invoice date more than due date. Click OK. Click yes. And there is the new table that we extract. And we need to import the Excel. Click on data, export, click view, and click OK. Oh, sorry. Click on data, export, and view to open. We put the table name invoice date more than due date. Then click OK. Then to find the file location, click on the open file location, and there was the file that we received. For the project form, at the table according to the update, invoice date more than due date. For first question, find how many IN in the table. Second, find IN returns amount more than 1,000. 3, find IN returns amount more than 1,000. And in quarter 4, 2014, in invoice date. Number 4, check invoice IN and amount is more than 100 or greater than CN and amount less than negative 100 in quarter 4, 2014. Number 5, export result to Excel. For the question number 1, at the table invoice date more than due date, click the FX expression, click on the transfer tab equal to apostrophe IN, and click OK. And the result we got is 270 record. Next, for question number 2, click at the expression FX, we click N, more transfer amount, more than, we got the symbol more than 1,000, and verify this valid and click OK. And the answer we got is active file record. For the question number 3, click at the IN equal, and click transfer amount reference to N, more greater than, change to 1,000, and at the invoice date, and we just do the quick filter, and between we change the date to the quarter 4, 2014. And the final answer we got 55 records. For the question 4, click for the IN equal, then click the transfer amount, quick filter, and greater than, we put here is 100. Then click the FX expression, click all, and copy the expression we do just now, and paste after the all, and IN we change to the CN, and for the amount we change to 100 negative and change the symbol less than, and verify the expression which is valid, click OK, and go for invoice date, quick filter, and between change the date to the quarter 4, 2014, and the final result we got is 179 records.